Kamusta, Yowfam? I'm Yowawerts and I'm back again for another DIY invention which a lot of you have asked me to make. This is the new Boboiboy Galaxy Elemental watch that has a functional rotating watch frame. Although it hasn't made a television yet, this watch is already popular among fans of Boboiboy, so I made one as most of you requested. I know you Boboiboy fans waited long enough for this, so let's get right into the video. First, print the template for this creation. Then, cut out all the pieces in the template. You don't have to cut them accurately since you'll have to glue them onto an illustration board. For these remaining pieces on the other hand, we will use a thinner cardboard. This illustration board I'm using has a width of 2 mm. It's just the same material as an ordinary cardboard but thinner, which will make it easy to cut out later. After that, cut out all the pieces. This tab takes a lot of precision, so just be patient with your work. Same with these pieces, I'm using a folder which is more than half as thin as the previous material. Once you've cut them out, glue these pieces accordingly. It'll be easy to identify which to bond together with the labels I put on each piece. After that, apply super glue to the edges of these pieces to make them more durable. Once the glue dries, use a sandpaper to smoothen out the sides. Then, paint these pieces. For the watch strap, I'll be using EVA foam with 2 mm thickness. While waiting for the paint to dry, let's move on to the remaining pieces of the Elemental watch. For the remaining pieces, it's putting the little details together that makes up the work since they're pretty small and delicate. But once these are done, they will absolutely improve the look of the watch. As they say, it's the little things that actually make the difference. By the way, I had to replace this piece with this one, and don't worry, I already changed the template for you all. Back to the main piece of the watch, I noticed how some parts on my reference were white, so I went ahead, colored mine as well, and glued on these additional pieces. To make the watch frame rotate, cut out this piece from thin cardboard, make a ring out of it, and glue it onto the back of the watch frame. Don't worry about it falling out because this piece will prevent it from doing so. If you did it just right, you'll have something like this. We're almost done. Now let's complete the watch strap. Attach Velcro on its ends. Make 2 of this additional piece and secure them to the watch strap just like so. As you've just seen, it was pretty easy to make this Boboiboy Galaxy Elemental watch, so I hope that this tutorial will help you well if you're planning to make one on your own. If you want to see me make another Boboiboy creation, I have another video in my channel, so go ahead and watch that. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join the Yowfam. Now before we end this video, shout out to all these awesome Yowfam for sharing with us their creative works. Great job you guys, and I hope to see more creations from you in the future. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!